Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to join the Fiverr affiliate program. This is a very simple thing to do guys, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So guys, the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official Fiverr website right here at fiverr.com if you haven't already, and after opening it up guys, you'll be greeted by the homepage right here where we can go ahead and log into our account. So first we need to go ahead and log into our account right here in the upper right corner if you haven't already. If you do not already have an account, you can just go ahead and create a new one, and after logging in you'll be greeted by this main page right here where you can see all the options you can access, you can see other gigs by other people and so on. So let's go ahead and see how to become an affiliate. Basically guys, it's very easy, and what we can do is just go ahead and scroll all the way down till the end of the website right here at the beginning of the page. So here we can go ahead and find all the options, and under community guys, you'll see there is an option that says affiliates. So you want to open up affiliates. After opening up affiliates guys, as you can see now, it's going to open up this new page where it says become a Fiverr affiliate. So join the Fiverr affiliate program and start earning by recommending world-class freelance talent. And what you can do is click the join now button. This is going to enable you to go ahead and sign up for the affiliate program, provide all of your info, and after Fiverr reads all of your info, they will maybe approve you or deny you depending on if they need you as an affiliate or not. You'll be notified by your email, and after that, if you're accepted, you can get started making money. But yeah guys, basically that is how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.